Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and let's fade in and fade out the music. If you have a video without music, I will now drag and drop the video, and under the audio files, right click, add files, let's say add this music, and now just drag and drop it over here under the audio clip. And to fade in and fade out, position your playhead, for example, at the beginning of the audio clip, and click over here, fade in. And if you want to fade in from the start of the clip or the cursor position, I will want to start from the start of the clip, and duration to be 3 seconds. Okay, and now you can see this blue line that represents your fade in effect. And let's say I want to cut it over here like this and delete this one, and want to fade this ending. Just select the clip, right click on it, fade out, and you can see from the end of the clip, also to be duration 3 seconds. And now we have a nice fade in and fade out effect for your audio file. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.